Huskies, let's kick things off with some important reminders for this week.
Tutoring is available throughout the week, so make sure to take advantage of it. On Monday, Mrs. Dixon offers after-school tutoring in room F6. Just remember, you must have something to work on.
On Tuesday, you can get math help during lunch in room E2 with Miss Valdez. There's also after-school tutoring in the library with Miss Day.
And on Thursday, math tutoring continues with Mr. Couch at lunch in room E4. Bring your lunch, your questions, and your assignments to get that extra support.
Moving on, yearbooks are still on sale for $69 until October 30th. Prices go up after that, so order now at fortunahigh.com.
FFA members, mark your calendars. The October FFA meeting will be held on October 15th at 7 p.m. in the theater. Be sure to scan in at the door to receive your FFA activity. And don't forget your passports. Plus, come dressed in your best Halloween costume to enter the contest.
And finally, Huskies, remember that October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Be sure to wear pink on Wednesdays to show your support.
That's it for student news this week. Stay involved, take advantage of tutoring, and show that Husky pride.
Hey Huskies, here's your detention schedule for the week. On Monday, lunch detention will be with Mr. Richardson in B3, and after-school detention will be with Miss Lynch in Cafe 1. On Tuesday, both lunch detention and after-school detention will be with Mr. Orr in CA 8. On Wednesday, lunch detention will be with Mr. Richardson in B3, and after-school detention will be with Miss Lofold in AG2. On Thursday, lunch detention will be with Mr. Orr in CA8, and after-school detention will be with Mr. Eastham in E6. On Friday, lunch detention will be again with Mr. Orr in CA8, and there is no after-school detention scheduled. This is your detention update, Huskies. Be on time and be responsible.
Hello, Fortuna High. It's time to dig into this week's club news.
On Monday, the Garden Club meets after school from 3:25 to 4:25 in the garden between F Building and the Metal Shop. Time to grow your skills and plant some Husky pride. And Riot Club will not be meeting today, but will resume next Monday, October 20th, at lunch in AB3 of Mr. Rios.
On Tuesday, roll the dice. Dungeons & Dragons Club will meet after school in AB3 with Mr. Rios, and the BSU will meet at lunch in B3.
On Wednesday, no clubs are scheduled to meet, so consider it a midweek timeout.
On Thursday, the FCA meets at lunch in CA2 for pizza with the pastor, because nothing goes better with inspiration than a slice of pizza. Mecha Club powers up at lunch in CA4, and the GSA gathers in the Wellness Center. And don't forget, Creeks Club keeps it clean with recycling after school.
And wrapping up the week on Friday, Cert Club meets as usual. Theater Club takes a stage at lunch in CA6 with Miss Olson, and Book Club is canceled for today. But we'll be back on the second and fourth Fridays in CA7 with Miss Dorman. Also, Creeks Club is hosting a campus cleanup right after school on the senior lawn. Join in. It only takes 30 minutes, and that's a sweep you'll actually want to be part of.
That wraps up this week's club news. Pick a club, get connected, and keep the Husky spirit alive.
Go Fortuna High Huskies. We're all about making this campus a club worth joining.
Hey Husky sports fans, it's time for your Fortuna Athletes Recap. In boys soccer, the Huskies had a huge win on Wednesday, October 8th, defeating South Fork with an incredible score of 17-1. On Saturday, October 11th, they battled Del Norte with a tough 3-3 tie. In girls soccer, Fortuna took down McKinleyville on Tuesday, October 7th, with a close 1-0 victory. In cross country, strong performance came from both squads. Juan Ornelas finished second in the varsity boys 5K with a time of 16 minutes and 47 seconds. Alexa McCall placed third in varsity girls 5K with a time of 23 minutes and 19 seconds. In volleyball, the varsity girls faced two tough matches. On Tuesday, October 7th, they lost to Del Norte 1-3 sets. And then on Wednesday, October 8th, they fell to Ferndale also 1-3 sets. And in football, the varsity Huskies played a hard-fought game on Saturday, October 11th, but came up short against SB with the final score of 22-26. That's all for this week in Husky sports. Great effort to all our Fortuna athletes. We'll see you on the field, on the court, and on the course. Go Huskies!
Hi, hungry Huskies. Here's what's on the menu this week at Fortuna High. For breakfast, Monday starts with a breakfast burrito. Tuesday, it's cinnamon rolls. Wednesday brings French toast. Thursday, you'll have pancake puffs. And Friday wraps it up with sausage and egg muffin. Don't forget, every day you can also grab a PB&J sandwich, a parfait, or cereal. For lunch, Monday we're serving up cheese and pepperoni pizza. Tuesday is sloppy joe. Wednesday is a beefy mac. Thursday, you get a chicken pot pie, and on Friday, you can enjoy a nice sub sandwich. Each meal also comes with vegetable, fruit, milk, or, of course, the salad bar. That's your Husky Eats for the week. Fuel up and have a great one, Huskies.